Okay, now we will go to the HDMI port and the HDMI section and give a double click to the main page like that. And now, let's bring the most important variables in our program, like the temperature set point, the defrost, and complete the variables, and so on. I will go to the top, and we can see here the static. Here the static text. We can define here our text. Let's see. This is for the set point. The third one, the compressor, and the last one for defrost. Okay, now let's go to the edit. This is used to insert and connect the variables in our logic to the HDMI. We can do it this way. This edit we need for the first one, the second one. Pick one. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now we will link this edit to our variables. Let's see. Here we go to the variables. Click the variables, select the application, and we can see here all the global variables we created and the other ones. Let's see here we need the NTC global variable for the NTC sensor. And let's click OK, and here you can define. Let's leave it 3 in the format. Decimal. Let's do the same for the set point. Let's go to the variables. Select variables, parameters, and let's see. This is it. And the compressor also, location, compressor, and this one for the defrost. We can filter by this. We can group the variables or PLC application. You can add the unit also like that. This is degree C. This is it. Okay, now let's create another page called page. I don't know for version or anything. Maybe you like. Okay, let's see. Okay, you see it located here. Setting there the switch to the page. But first let's add some text. Version 1, and you can add anything you want. In our case, let's see version 1, because we don't really need this page. But for the sake of this video, we will create it and link it to the main page. Let's go to the main page. Okay, let's go over here. New action. Let's see the key down. Open page and version. This is it. We already have this function. Let's go over here and delete it because we have already configured this part. Okay, now we created how to go to the version page. Now let's go to the version page here and create the way back. This is the way back open page. Let's see. Let's go to the local action. Key up. Let's make it up. Open page and link the main page. Okay, let's save this. There's one more thing before we upload our design and see it in the simulation. Let's go to the bottom and go to the resources. As you can see, we can find here the different enumerations already created. Because we selected the template in the beginning of our project, we can create also an enumeration like that. A new record every second. You can add from here, add record to 0 or 1 like that. 0 for off and 1 for on already exists. And actually for on off, we don't need this. Remove. And let's go to the main. And connect the enumeration here like that instead of a 0 or 1. Now you can see here on or off. Let's see here. Okay, that's not very good in the format. Let's see here the enumeration, and this is what it is. This is what we need to do. Okay, and let's do the same thing in the other. Edit. Let's see now our program. Our user interface will not show 0 and 1, it will show on or off.